Discover the IdeaFormer IR3 V2, a next-generation CoreXY FDM 3D printer engineered for high-speed, continuous large-format printing. Designed for engineers, manufacturers, designers, makers, educational institutions, and production workshops, the IR3 V2 combines precision, automation, and an innovative infinite Z-axis conveyor belt system to deliver outstanding performance for professional 3D printing applications. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the IdeaFormer IR3 V2 and explore its advanced features, including a CoreXY motion system, automatic bed leveling, a durable steel conveyor belt, an extended output tray, and continuous printing capabilities that make it an ideal solution for both large-scale production and long-format models. Unlike conventional 3D printers with fixed build platforms, the IR3 V2 features an infinite Z-axis conveyor belt that allows users to print extremely long objects or produce multiple parts continuously without manual intervention. This innovative design significantly improves productivity and supports automated manufacturing workflows. Powered by a high-performance CoreXY motion system, the printer delivers exceptional speed, precision, and smooth movement while reducing vibration for consistently high-quality prints. Key features: CoreXY high-speed motion system, infinite Z-axis printing technology, steel conveyor belt printing platform, automatic bed leveling, continuous production capability, extended output tray, high-precision FDM printing, stable mechanical structure, smooth and accurate motion control, professional-grade print quality, automated batch production, ideal for long-format models, continuous object printing, high-speed manufacturing workflow, reliable long-duration operation, user-friendly interface, durable industrial construction, compatible with multiple filament types, suitable for professional and commercial applications, optimized for advanced manufacturing projects. The steel conveyor belt provides exceptional durability and excellent first-layer adhesion while allowing printed objects to automatically move off the build surface once completed. This enables true continuous printing, making the IR3 V2 an excellent choice for production environments where efficiency is essential. Automatic bed leveling ensures perfect first layers by accurately calibrating the print surface before each print, reducing setup time and improving overall print reliability. The advanced CoreXY architecture minimizes moving mass, allowing for faster acceleration, higher printing speeds, and greater positional accuracy compared to traditional Cartesian systems. Its reinforced frame construction enhances stability during high-speed operation, ensuring consistent layer quality and precise dimensional accuracy even during extended printing sessions. Whether you're producing functional prototypes, industrial components, production parts, architectural models, educational projects, custom products, or long continuous prints, the IdeaFormer IR3 V2 offers the speed, flexibility, and reliability required for demanding professional applications. The combination of infinite Z-axis technology, automated continuous printing, and a precision CoreXY motion system makes the IR3 V2 a powerful solution for manufacturers, engineers, research laboratories, universities, and businesses seeking to increase productivity while maintaining exceptional print quality. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in professional 3D printers, additive manufacturing, engineering technology, and industrial production solutions.